And now I'm going to show you how to do the emails inside Builderall Mailing Boss 5. So you go into Apps and click on Mailing Boss 5. And we're going to create a workflow. So you can create a workflow here. Subscribe at. So they're going to subscribe to the list that we've just made. And it's that one. So we save. Come on. We're going to call it Chat GPT Attraction Marketing Preview. Okay. So they join workflow when they've subscribed on the capture page that we just did. Then we're going to send a campaign. And we're going to write it now. So if it's already written, it will come there. But if you want a new one, we click that. And we're going to put Chat GPT email 1. And the title is Welcome to Our Community. Welcome. You can make any to our community. You can make any subject you like. But actually, I would change that and say, inside is your free gift. Make sure that this isn't a gobbledygook one and it's one that you've already made earlier. That one will do. So Control, copy, paste. So ignore that bit. Paste the whole email. Now, inside Builderall, you need the first, if you want to put the first name, you hop over to here and you find the F name. So you copy that bit and paste it. And then it should come up their first name. And if you want your name, you're the affiliate. So you could put, so that's your first name. And then last name. Whoops. If you can remember them, because it's affiliate name with an underscore in the middle, you should be all right. Hello, first name. Welcome to our community. So you can actually add this link here. I'll show you how to do that. You share the link. I've added some pictures in, as you can see. And only people can open the link. So you copy the link. Anyone with a link. And as a viewer, you don't want them to be able to edit it. You just want them to view it. So you hop over to here, and I think I'll change this. I would go, welcome. And here's your free gift. So I would change it. Welcome to our community, which you will find here. So I can put which you will find here. And then I can put there. Then click the link. Put the link in. Boom. So save. Keep saving. Save and activate. So that's done. So you press save again. Otherwise you have to write it again. Then if you want to wait a day and send the second one. So we'll just show you how to do that. Wait. Well, actually, if it's the free gift, you could send it 10 minutes later. So let's do that. So wait 10 minutes. That's the minimum that you can do, 10 minutes, right? And then the next one, you put wait 1 day. Then you would do, you'd hop over to the second one, which is in here. 5 tips to implement attraction marketing today. Now, this is quite a good one. So it's F name that we want here. So we're going to change this and go over here. If you want this exact funnel, I'm just showing you how to do it. You have to click the link below, and when you buy Builderall and you join the Team Awesome 30-day challenge as of today, then you can get this funnel with 1 click. So I want to send a campaign. Some people call it broadcasts. Do not get confused. So this is Chat GPT email 2. Subject 5 tips to implement attraction marketing. I quite like that one. This is Chat GPT. Info at work with Diane. It's always got to be your domain name email. Then you go Control V, F name. It's squares and it's F name, and it's got to be in capitals, otherwise it doesn't work in the Builderall. Okay, and then if you remember, it was affiliate name. So the reply to can be left blank because then it's exactly the same as that one. If you want it to be sent to a different email address, for instance, your Gmail address, feel free, you can. So that's saved. So I'm going to carry on with the rest of the emails, and that's how you do it, guys. It's a AI. Whoops, stop. I've got to get my video back somehow. I can't get my video back. Where's my video gone? Anyway, guys, if you want the video, if you want this funnel, all you have to do is click the link below, get Builderall, and I will share this funnel with you with 1 click. See you on the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to save and activate user.